I was never really big into this notion of soulmates, but after spending 2 years with you, I am now a true believer. Hey, you're supposed to cry.
As many as you might suspect, this is not an easy speech to give simply because Kate is such a model sister and human, leaving me with absolutely no material to work with. We all recognize that Kate is God's gift to this earth, and we might not ever meet someone as caring, smart, humble, or selfish as her.
She's very independent, she chases her dreams, and I think over the years when she's felt the most lost is when she wasn't following her heart. Which brings me to Hoos. From day one, it was clear that Hoos is who Kat's heart wanted.
What you really get to know about Hoos is that even though he's the most fun person you're probably going to hang out with in your life, there's this other side to him, this really kind of driven and caring side.
Hoos is really the friend that you want to laugh with until you cry, and you want to cry until you start laughing again. He's the friend you can be very vulnerable with. He's the friend who throws a party and you know it's a party you want to invite all of your friends to. And at that party, Hoos is often the person you will most vividly remember.
Somehow, this fire and this water are able to come together and combine to form a union that is even more powerful than their individual selves, and never diminishing their individuality. What we are celebrating today is not the beginning of a marriage, but a marriage already in progress.
There's another night that I want to tell you about, and that's the night that Hoos met Katya. It was a bit of an awkward group Tinder date thing. I should say that Hoos was like, I would like to invite this lady I'm chatting with. I was like, sure, this won't be awkward at all, I'll bring her. But what I do remember from that night watching them standing next to each other was this reserved and shy demeanor about them. But they also looked really excited to be in each other's presence that night.
You're smart, caring, adventurous, and damn sexy. You both lift me up and you ground me, helping me find the perfect balance. You came into my life, you made me smile, you made me laugh, and you helped me to grow into the person I've always wanted to be.
It is with honor that I pronounce the two of you husband and wife. You may now seal your vows with a kiss.
I know it's part of my duties in this process to wish the newly married couple love and good fortune. I also know that won't be necessary today, because they exude the very meaning of love and happiness. I do want to express to my little sister that I am extremely happy for her. I look up to her in more ways than she would ever know.
Most of us haven't been able to witness their relationship grow because of all this amazing traveling. But I think even through the moments we were fortunate to spend with them, we all know how perfect you are for each other.
I asked Kate how she knew it wasn't just love and it was marriage, and she said that she was the best version of herself with him, that Hoos was too, that they were a team.
I have some words of advice for the newlyweds, and I can boil them down to 3 words: love, respect, and growth. I have some words of advice for the rest of you, and this will be the toast. Eat, drink, and be merry.
Hoos, I hope you realize that someone can win the lottery. They could bowl a perfect game, or they could discover buried treasure. But they would still not be as lucky as you are to live the rest of your life with my sister.
I know that maybe I'm expected to ask you to look after him. But after seeing you together and seeing your love and your patience and your acceptance, I don't think I have anything to ask of you. I think Hoos's heart is in very good hands.
Kate knew Hoos was the one when he sent her a color-coded Excel spreadsheet planning out their long-distance relationship. Kate knew Hoos was the one when he flew back from Germany to Newark just for a weekend because he missed her that much. Kate knew Hoos was the one the first time he cooked for her. And Kate knows Hoos is the one every single day.